Is Hurricane Harvey man-made? Contrary to popular belief, a technology, which is capable of intensifying a hurricane exists, and has existed since before most Americans were born. This technology is not even secret. Since at least as far back as the 1940s, successful scientific experiments involving weather modification have been conducted. There is no longer any secrecy about the fact that technology capable of intensifying a tropical storm is real. The technology is known as cloud seeding. An aircraft simply drops chemicals capable of encouraging condensation into a cloud, intensifying the storm. In spite of the fact that the existence of one form of weather modification is not even a secret, governments and other organizations may be keeping secrets about when, how, and why the technology is used. Has the technology ever been used as a weapon? It certainly could be used as a way of inflicting death and destruction on a region without the region's inhabitants even knowing that they had been attacked. Hurricanes of unusually high intensity do of course occur naturally, but the undetectability makes weather modification a particularly dangerous weapon. In recent times, evidence that Hurricane Harvey was artificially strengthened has surfaced. The hurricane did not seem to be particularly strong in a natural way. Instead, the hurricane seems to have repeatedly regained its strength after weakening, which is an unlikely event if the hurricane was a purely natural force. The technology allegedly used to refuel Hurricane Harvey does not seem to have been cloud seeding from aircraft, but rather man-made evaporation from facilities on the ground. Like cloud seeding, the existence of this technology is publicly known and it is not kept secret. Analysis of satellite footage of the storm is said to be more compatible with artificial interference than with a natural storm of unusual intensity. If the hurricane was in fact deliberately strengthened, what people were involved, and what was their motivation? There are few theories about why these storms are artificially strengthened. It is difficult to believe that weaponized storms are used simply to inflict fear on the population. Evil exists, but evil people and organizations tend to have motivations that one can understand. Let me know in the comments, what is your theory behind this artificial strengthening?